positive anything, because welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today, car show prep. What do I do? What have I done to Quinn to help win awards? Well, today I'm going to share it with you. I've had a few requests online of people's first car shows. They've never done one before and they don't know where to start. So today I'm going to bring you guys along and I'm going to show you products I use, the places I focus on, where the judges are usually looking, and I'll share that all with you guys. So keep watching if you guys want to know how to prep your car for your first car show. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is you need to wash the car. Naturally, go wash the car. Get go get the dust, dirt, grime, everything off the car. Make sure it's a thorough clean, and then just clean it as you would that you normally do. That's all you need to do, and that's the major step in getting ready for a car show. Step one, wash the car, get it all nice and clean. I made sure to focus on the wheels, because we wanted those clean and spick and span. No brake dust, no dirt, no ground. The first thing you guys are gonna want are lots and lots of microfiber towels. Now, you don't have to throw these out when you think you're done with them. I wash these in the washing machine and keep using them until you just know when they're done. Second thing I use for getting off major stains or any other issues is this Gion Prep. It works really well, and if there's anything like tar or any of that stuff that happens to get on the wheels or the paint, this takes it off. Very nice and does a really good job. Now you've arrived to the car show. Car's clean, might be dusty, might have got some grime on the way over to the show, and that's where the next product I use does a really good job. The next product I use is actually Ultimate Quick Detailer. This will take off dust and does one last clean with the microfiber to get the dust off and give it a deep clean shine. I like to use Meguiar's Hot Shine on the tires. It makes them look deep black and super wet. If you apply this and you have it on the car for a few hours, it dries in, but it looks wet, but it won't sling excess tire shine all over your paint and give you that splattered gross look. So those are the three products that I like to use on the car for detailing at the car show. Just remember, lots and lots of clean microfibers. Now we'll go over to the car and I'll show you some of the spots that we focus on when having the car ready to show. One of the things that I cannot stress enough is your wheels. You want to make sure that your wheels are spotless. Judges, take note of the wheels and how you've detailed them. If you've detailed the wheels really, really well, it's going to show the judges that you're serious and you put the time into detailing your wheels and your car. And because your wheels are so clean and spotless, it shows that you've put a lot of time into the entire car itself. So wheels are a big part of having your car detailed for the show. Another big part of detailing your car is I always, after the car wash, I clean my sills so that they're always spotless. It just shows the level of detail that you're willing to go to for having your car ready for the show and trying to win an award. The other part that a lot of people forget about are your exhaust tips. If you're taking the time to detail your exhaust tips, that means you've just taken that much more time to actually detail the entire car. Wheels, exhaust tip, door jambs, those are just the little things that you can do to enhance your chance on winning an award. Also, the other part that people forget about are your glass. Clean your glass with good glass cleaner. Your mirrors, everyone always forgets the mirrors, the actual mirror themselves, because you never think about actually detailing those. It's just the little things. If you take your time and you completely detail your car as thoroughly as possible, you're just giving yourself that much better chance to win an award, because you're showing your commitment to keeping your car spotless and making it look as good as possible to show the judges, the people coming, the spectators, your other car enthusiasts. Just take your time and do it right. You're at the show, your car's super detailed, everything's ready. Should you keep your windows down, windows up? It's up to you. Is there something in the interior that you want to show your judges? Some custom lighting, you've wrapped the interior, you got new seats. It's up to you. If you're going to keep the windows down, make sure the interior car is detailed, vacuumed, shampooed, leather conditioned, cleaned. If you're not comfortable or you don't know how to detail the interior, go see a professional detailer. Usually it's a couple $100 and they'll do your entire car inside and out, and then you don't have to worry about it. Second thing, is hood up or hood down. Do you have stuff to display under your hood? Do you want the judges to see something under your hood? Do you have a lot of performance modifications that people are going to recognize? If you're going to keep your hood up, same thing. Make sure the engine bay of your car is detailed, because there's nothing like you wanting to pop your hood to show all your performance mods and they're a layer of dust caked all over everything and mud and grime. So if you're keeping your hood open, detail. That's the biggest thing I can stress, is make sure your car is spick and span. If it's not, you're not going to get judged and you're not going to win an award. I don't like to keep my hood open just because for photos, the photos look better when your hood's down. Just my personal preference. Those are the things I do to get the car ready for a car show, deep clean and details. Get crevices, door jambs, mirrors, exhaust tips, wheels. I can't stress, wheels are the biggest important ones to get clean. It's like having really nice shoes with mud on it. No one's gonna look at your shoes. If there's anything else you would like to know, drop a comment below. I'll answer anybody's comments, or you can also DM me on Instagram. I hope you guys got some or a little bit of information out of this. If you did, please smash that like button. So we're home from the car wash, and I just put this product called Reload on the car. What it is, it's like a ceramic coating refresh. So I did that, and then I noticed that the Plastidip was starting to peel off of the side skirt extensions. Obviously, we knew that was temporary. I didn't have enough time to get them painted, but they were starting to look pretty gross. So I pulled them off, took the Plastidip off. What a nightmare. Don't Plastidip anything, because it's way more frustrating trying to get the product off than putting it on, because you just want to see what it looks like. So don't do it. Don't use Plastidip. It's a pain in the butt. But I got them stripped, and I ended up only having some gray vinyl left over that was long enough to actually wrap the side skirts extensions. So I did that. So now they look much better, and I double-sided taped them back up in place, and they're stuck there. And what I'm going to do is I actually have some aluminum tubing, square tubing, under the car that I'm going to air the car out and use the weight of the car to bond the 3M tape to the bottom underside of the car. So I'm going to do that right now. Benefits of having a car on air. We have one more modification that we're going to quickly install. I'll show you it right now. Then we should be good for the car show tomorrow. I like to use Guyon Prep to get any stains that might occur on your drive to the car show. Once I'm at the car show, I'll use this Meguiar's Ultimate Detailer to get any dust and fine particles and everything else. This also adds a really nice gloss finish to the car. So positives for letting the judge see a clean car. And then the last product I use is Meguiar's Hot Shine for the tires. This makes the tires look super wet, and once it's dried, it doesn't sling crap all over your car, which is really nice. So those are the things that you're going to want to do at the car show. You're also going to need lots and lots of microfiber tiles. Keep these clean, because when you get to the car show, you want to detail the car, and the things you really want to pay attention to are your wheels. Clean your wheels. That's probably the first thing that the judges look for, is clean wheels. I always make sure they're as clean as possible. I get right in the barrels, get them all cleaned out, and I also like to, I showed you guys at the car wash, but I like to also clean the door sills and get them all nice and clean. And it's the fine details. If you put in the work to do the extra details and work, you're gonna win awards, because it shows you paying attention and you've put the effort into actually detailing and cleaning your car for the show. Thanks to Elevated Media on YouTube. I'll put his YouTube channel here, and I'll also link it above. But he did this to his BMW, and I thought it looked wicked. And I think this is going to look really nice on my car, and I went with blue. So this is a new gas cap. You don't see it obviously because the gas door is closed all the time, but it's just a quick cover, double-sided taped on, but it goes really nicely with the blue on the car. So we're gonna quickly throw this on, and then I'll air the car out so that the car's sitting on this aluminum extrusion. What do you guys think? Obviously you can't see it because when the door's closed you can't see it, but it's the small details that I know, and I'll know about it, and I'll be able to show people. So let's get the car aired out on the extrusion, and then we'll get it bonding to the car. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.